The figure below shows a kite flying at a certain moment. The kite string forms an angle of elevation of 75 degrees from point A on the ground. At the same moment, the angle of elevation of the kite at point B, 250 feet from A on level ground, is 45 degrees. What is the length in feet of the string? So we have this diagram here. It shows this angle A is 75 degrees, angle B is 45 degrees. This distance between A to B is 240, and we need to find the length of the string, which is this line right here. So let's label the sides here and the angles. So we have angle A, B, and C, which is this angle here. And then let's have this be side A, because it's opposite from angle A. This be side B, since it's opposite from angle B, and this be side C, because it's opposite from angle C. So we can use the law of sines here, which states that angle A divided by sine A equals angle B, or sorry, side B divided by, so side A in lowercase divided by sine of angle A, the angle opposite from this side, so A is opposite to capital A, is equal to the length of side B divided by the sine of angle B. So B here is this angle, and opposite to it is side B, is equal to C over sine of angle C. So we can use this to find the length of the string here. Since we only know one distance, we'll have to use C over sine C, and we want to find the length of side B, so we'll also use this side here. So we'll be using this to solve the equation. Sine B equals C over sine of C. So now we need to find the value of B. We're given the angle B. We know that this, so B equal over sine B. We know that the measure of angle B is 45 degrees. We know the length of C is 240 feet. Now we need the measure of angle C. So this is angle C here. Now we know that all of the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So that means 75 plus 45 plus the measure of angle C has to equal 180 degrees. So 75 plus 45, that's equal to 120 plus C equals 180. So that means C has to equal 60 degrees, because 120 plus 60 equals 180. So this angle here is 60 degrees. So now we know the angle sine of C. So this C here is 60 degrees. So we have sine 60. So now we can cross multiply to find the value of B. So B times sine 60, we just cross multiplied these two together. So sine of 60 degrees is equal to 240 times the sine of 45 degrees. We just cross multiplied these two together and set them equal to each other. So now we can divide both sides by the sine of 60 degrees. So that means B equals 240 sine 45 degrees all over sine of 60 degrees. Okay. So from the unit circle, we know that sine 45 is square root of 2 over 2, and that the sine of 60 is square root of 3 over 2. And if we put that into our calculator, so 240 times root 2 divided by 2 and then divide that by root 3 divided by 2. That's about 195.5 or 195.96. So that's about the length of the string here. And if we go to our answer choices, and the only answer choice that evaluates to 195.96 if we put it into our calculator is answer choice B, 80 times the square root of 6. Because 80 times the square root of 6 also evaluates to 195.95. So B is the correct answer.